Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to crop picture in Miss Word. Let's open the Word document. You will be able to see the image to be cropped. After this, select the image and from the Picture Format menu, click on Crop. Now, using the corners and sidelines, you can crop the image as you wish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.